Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone from the Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation and Abilympics Malaysia. Today, 3rd of December 2021, marks the joyous celebration of the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. This year especially highlights the leadership and participation of persons with disabilities towards an inclusive, accessible, and sustainable post-COVID-19 world. Since 1973, Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation has championed employment opportunities for persons with disabilities. Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation has been of service to persons with disabilities by providing them with training and guidance. This is in order to enhance their entrepreneurial skills and abilities portrayed by persons with disabilities to create a self-sustaining future for themselves and their loved ones. The empowerment for persons with disabilities should act as a transformative incubator and a mindset change that will help to remove barriers for them to live equally with others. Additionally, with the platform given by Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation, persons with disabilities are presented with an iron in the fire to assess their own capabilities and interests. Self-empowerment from showcasing their skills and abilities can provide a person with a chance to take control of their disability and labor market participation, and be socially and economically active to the highest extent possible for their situation. Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation became the pillar of Abilympics coordinating body in Malaysia, selecting qualified persons with disabilities participants to represent the country at the international Abilympics competitions every 4 years. To date, countries such as India, Japan, Korea, and France have hosted the International Abilympics. Our own homegrown talents have achieved many medals, gold, silver, bronze, and certificates of merit, just to name a few. Next year, Malaysian Council for Rehabilitation will send 16 Malaysians to Moscow, Russia, where they will participate in 15 different skills categories at the 10th International Abilympics competition. We went on road shows and raised awareness on Abilympics, held the National Abilympics competition, selected qualified persons with disabilities, and conducted training to be ready for the international competition. All the efforts for Abilympics Malaysia would not be successful without the support of our partners. We thank the Ministry of Women, Family and Community Development, our main partner, Alliance Malaysia Berhad, our strategic partners, the Ministry of Education Malaysia, Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education, the Ministry of Human Resources, Human Resources Development Corporation, HRD Corp, Department of Skills Development, Center for Instructor and Advanced Skill Training, SIAST, Faculty of Art and Design of University Technology Mara, Lee Flower Design Academy, Dr. Safzali Musa Khan, Visual Art Experimental Studio, and our event sponsor, Tenaga Nasional Berhad. Your continued support enabled us to realize our dreams and increasingly empower the future-proving persons with disabilities. With this, we would like to wish you a wonderful, happy International Day of Persons with Disabilities and Selamat Hari Orang Kurang Upaya Sedunia.